Align the backrest with the 2 slots on the base. Insert both sides as simultaneously as possible. It's installed when you hear a slight click. Connect the interface behind the seat cushion. Connect ends of Part D to the interface at the back. Insert E into the interface of Part D. Lifting the metal plate upwards will remove the backrest. It's about lifting this protruding metal plate.